Welcome to Impact Headlines. Israel-Hamas war could worsen global trade tensions. US economy remains steady. China growth beats expectations. According to global news sources, the Israel-Hamas war could have an exceptional impact on world stock market indices, exchange rates, and commodity prices, adding that should the conflict spread to major oil-producing countries such as Iran, the global economy might be affected. Oil prices are set for a second weekly gain as tension in the Middle East rises. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is keen to grow its exports to improve its balance of payments deficit. A slowing global economy may hinder this and make imports more expensive. Exports during the first 8 months of the year are down 10% to $7.9 billion. Further, rising oil prices exacerbates the situation at a time when the country is looking to rebuild its foreign currency reserves. According to a US Federal Reserve report, economic activity in the United States has changed little over the last 6 weeks. It reported continued easing of tightness in the labor market, as well as a modest but sustained increase in prices. Reuters notes that this report is slightly at odds with retail sales and manufacturing growing more quickly than expected, and that hiring is on the rise and consumer prices continue to grow at around 4%. Impact on Sri Lanka. From January to August, exports to the United States, Sri Lanka's largest export market, fell to $1.8 billion, down 19% from a year earlier. Sri Lanka is banking on increased US consumer spending to boost its exports. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, China's GDP grew 4.9% from July to September, exceeding economist expectations. Latest data suggests that the country is on track to meet its 5% target for 2023, with the government having released a series of stimulus measures in the recent weeks. Impact on Sri Lanka. While China is not one of Sri Lanka's main export markets, the island nation hopes to attract over 150,000 Chinese tourists. A growing Chinese economy provides for higher discretionary spending among its citizens. Due to pandemic restrictions, Chinese visitors fell to less than 5,000. Despite this, there has been pickup this year.